Welcome back. In this session, I'm going to explain you the concept of what is arrays. So, we will start with the definition of what is exactly an array. So, array is a collection of data items with same data type. So array is a collection of data with the same data type. Like for example, suppose you want to enter the roll numbers of 100 students. So all the roll numbers are of integer data type. Then at that case you can take help of the arrays, which will help you to store all the 100 roll numbers of the students. So array is a collection of similar data type items. Okay. Now in arrays we have two main types. First one is called as one-dimensional array, and second one you have is two-dimensional array. So we have one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. If you go to the syntax of one-dimensional array, you have to write it as data type, that is what type of data items are you collecting in your array, whether it is an integer data type or character or float data type. After that you have to give the array name, and in square brackets you have to give the size of the array. That means how many elements are you trying to store in your particular array. This is how you have to declare a one-dimensional array. Now coming on to a two-dimensional array, it is almost the same type. First you need to write the data type, next array name, and here instead of single square brackets, here you need to use two square brackets. So the first square bracket, as you can see here, is for rows, and second square bracket is for columns. This is how you have to declare a two-dimensional array. Okay, so array is nothing but this is a collection of similar data type items. So we'll just move on with a sample program for arrays. You will better understand how to write exactly an array. So I will start writing with the header files first. So here I am demonstrating an example to implement one-dimensional array. Okay, so hash include stdio.h. This is the first header file we're going to use, standard input output header file. And the next header file which I'm going to use is console input output header file. I'll start my program with void main, and now first I need to declare the array. Suppose I want to enter the roll numbers of 10 students. So roll numbers are generally integer type, so I'll start with integer, and my array name will be A, and I'm going to store details of 10 students. Okay, this is how I'm going to use it. Now along with this I need to initialize one more variable called as I, because to enter the details into the arrays I need to take help of a for loop. My loop will run from 0th position to the 10th position. That means I need to enter numbers one after the other, so I'm going to take help of the for loop. After that I will start with the clear screen. Now I will ask the user to enter the roll numbers of 10 students. To ask, I'm going to take help of printf statement. Enter 10 students roll numbers. Now to save these roll numbers into the memory location, I'm going to take help of the for loop. For I'll start with 0, I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. This is how I'm going to write. So already I have given a tutorial on how to use conditional loops, and I've given you the syntax of for loop also. So after that, inside this for loop, now I will write the scanf percentile d. I've used the format specifier as a percentile d because the array which I have used is integer type of array. Then I'm going to write it as e of I. Now I will try printing the array elements as printf the array elements are to print again. I'm going to take help of for loop. For I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus, printf percentile d comma a of I, and I'll close my program with get ch. Let me save my program as array1.c. Now let me compile my program to check for errors. So it says I have no errors. Now let me execute my program. Now it is asking me to enter 10 students roll numbers. So I'm going to enter the roll numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally I'll have is 10. So after I enter all the 10 roll numbers, it is printing all the 12 numbers. So this is how we use a one-dimensional array.